Hello all, this is a model of sun tracking solar panel. The use of the project is automatically tracking the solar panel with respect to sun. We will see the output. Now automatically solar panel shift towards a light in this side. Now we can see solar panel shift in this side again for this side. So likewise solar panel is shifted. Okay, and there if sun rays are similar on both sensor, both LDR, then sun solar panel becomes stop. Here is a supply is a battery. Battery is charging from the solar panel. Arduino Uno LCD display and some relay switchings for the switching the motor is used at here. So this is a sun tracking solar panel. Thank you.